guys, it's Maya from Maya Go Nuts.
And I'm Alexis from Alexis Meth Lover.
And today we're doing the Blindfold Taste Test Challenge. This again will be on both of our challenges. She'll be eating the food and I'll be giving her the food.
Oh, and this, by the way, is not a blindfold exactly, it's a skull.
So we're going to make it a blindfold.
Yeah.
So yeah, now let's get started with the taste test. So here's the first one. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think it is?
Barbecue sauce?
Close.
Ketchup?
No.
I don't know.
Cocktail sauce.
Oh.
Do you like it?
Spicy.
Do you want more?
No.
Oh, okay. So that was the first one. So here's the next one. You know what it is?
Ice.
Yeah, okay, you don't have to eat it. Just as long as you know what it is. Here's the next one. It does not need a spoon.
I know it's a nut. Is it an almond?
Yes. The next one also does not need a spoon.
What the heck is this?
You like it?
Oh, a blueberry.
Yes, it's a blueberry. This next one does require a spoon. What is it?
It's applesauce.
Yes.
I hate applesauce.
So this next one you may even be able to smell. What do you think it is?
Barbecue sauce.
Yeah. This next one you should definitely be able to smell. You like it?
Oh, yeah.
Here's the next one. Yes. What is it?
A Nutri-Grain bar.
Yep. It's a Nutri-Grain bar. This is the second to last one.
A cracker.
What kind?
Townhouse?
Yeah, but what kind? Not what brand.
Buttery?
No.
What do you mean by what kind?
Never mind. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is me, and that's her. And we hope to see you in our next video. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to both of us.